Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. It is Francesco. I am your host for Keep Productive, and on this channel what we do is we cover a range of topics. We do tutorials on the most popular and new tools. We cover the news about productivity tools. We interview professionals about how they work with their tools and also with productivity, and we dive into some really interesting topics around certain resources. And of course, tools aren't everything, but our mission is to help you find the most suitable one for work and life. Whether that's Notion, whether that's Evernote, whether that's Todoist, whether that's Trello, Asana, and many, many millions more, we're going to find you the perfect tool that you can use day to day. So please do subscribe here on YouTube, and also do check out all our Skillshare classes as well as all the other resources in this description. So folks, I look forward to you joining us here on YouTube, and cheerio for now. Thank you very much, guys.